Hi everyone. So welcome to the Music Technology Mixing Task first video, how to set up the mixing project in Bandlab. So the task you've been given is to create a well-balanced mix of the Tracy Chapman song Talking About a Revolution using the online sequencer Bandlab. Now Bandlab is a browser-based sequencer, which means it can be used on both Mac and PC. So what we're going to do is we're going to supply you with 14 raw audio stems or tracks that make up the multi-track of the song. So you'll need to do this task, you will need a laptop or PC, a half-decent internet connection, Google Chrome browser, a Bandlab account, and a pair of headphones or speakers. So once you've done all that and you've created your Bandlab account like this is how you start to set up your session for mixing. So we log in. So then you come into this social media page and all your projects are listed down here, and there's a few other little icons up here. You click on your face or your profile picture here and you can go to your projects and all the kind of stuff here. But we're just going to create a new project, okay? So that's the first thing you do. And we'll leave it here. We're going to import audio, but we're not going to do that yet. We have to create a track first because we need to change the tempo before we import stuff. So we change the tempo to 110. This is very important because you won't be able to import the audio properly, okay? The next thing you have to do, which is something I didn't show in my other video, which I think it's a new feature, snap to grid. Okay, we need to click on that and we need to make sure that the grid size is bar. Right, so what this means is that when you import the audio, it will snap to the nearest bar. And the reason for that being important will come apparent in a minute. So now what we do is we drop and drag audio loops in here. So if we just click on here and we go to our page, I've put it on the desktop here. And here is the audio, right? So we can just shift click, we can select everything like that. Shift and select all, or Apple A, Command A, Control A, and we open that up. And now because it's numbered, it should all just come up in numbered order, which obviously it hasn't because Bandlab is a bit strange. Okay, so we can get rid of this track up here by control clicking and going to delete track, and then the next thing we got to do is rearrange the tracks. So cue the intermission music as I do this very fast. There we go, that's it. Okay, so now we've done that, we've got to that bit. Now if you look on all of these, they all start at different points. So on this one it's called 3 bass bar 14. So what this means is this needs to start at bar 14. The next one, kick bar 15. Okay, so cue intermission music and I'll do it very fast. There we go, we've lined it all up. So there's some unwanted noise at the beginning here, so we just need to truncate this a little bit, these ones. So if we just click into it, and we can just truncate and get rid of all this noise at the beginning, like so. And the same with these ones here. Let's make them start at bar 3. And then once we've done that, we select everything. We can go Command A, select everything, and then we drag that all up so it starts, it butts at beat 1. Okay, so now turn down all the levels, because it's going to sound really loud and you want some headroom in the main mix. So just turn out all that. Now, just to finish off, just mute everything out apart from the acoustic guitar. So when you get to this point, you should be able to play and just hear the acoustic guitar. There we go. This is really important. Once you've done this point, go to project, okay, and you type in your name, year group, school initials, and revolution, like that. And then we save it, like that. And that is now saved, and now we can get on to the next bit, which is the mixes. So the next video that you should watch is the mix principles and processors available in Bandlab, and we'll go over a view of what kind of processors are available to you with this mix project. Right, that's it.